One of the things I love about research and development is that there's an endless world of possibilities. Hi, my name is Alexa Villarreal Valdez. I am a second-year graduate student here at UTRGV in the Material Science and PhD program. The career that I'm most looking forward to after I graduate is become a research development engineer. I'd really like to continue working with material science and ecological issues. I'd like to create biodegradable plastics and other materials that can be used that don't necessarily take up so much space, especially after their usage. I would describe UTRGV to be exceptionally homey, and I say that because they're just amazing in general. They just help you out, but homey as well because they really make you feel at home. And we always say that we're a family because we are. We're in this together. You start to see the development of materials. You start to see how materials are engineered, and you start to see how impactful what we create in these labs are, because eventually it could be in the hands of your siblings or your mother and father, and so you want to create that better world for them. And this is where it all starts in research and development, and that's what I love about it. One of the main reasons I trusted UTRGV with my education is because they have yet to let me down. The staff here is exceptional. They really inspire you. You hear what they've done, you hear where they've been, and it just wants you to continue working towards that as well, because you know that you're so close because they're right next to you and they believe in you. You're truly not alone, and they really want you to succeed here. So if there's anything I can say is just don't give up. V's up and go Vaqueros!